My name is Abiola. I'm just one of those Nigerian women who's been looking for a way to make a perfect pounded yam without buying a big gadget that sometimes might not be workable or that will not make the yam perfect. I've tried blender before, it didn't come out good. I went into August to look for a mixer. I came across Masha. I said, oh, I've not seen that before. And I read the reviews and I saw them saying it makes a fluffy, perfect mashed potatoes. And I thought to myself, that should be able to make pounded yam. And I ordered it from August. I tried it and believe you me, it was a nice pounded yam. I thought I would share it with everybody else. Hello again. This is the Masha I was talking about. I got this from August and it's 40 pounds. But to be honest with you, it is worth it. And I tried it the first time. So, okay, today I'm expecting some visitors. So I'm trying to make this pounded yam to see if I can impress them. Because my husband had already tasted it and he said it was perfect. This is the yam. I'm going to cut it small pieces so it can be easy to mash. The yam is ready. I've got the yam ready. I'm now pouring out the excess water. So that should do. Now I'm going to put this on a cooker to cook for maybe 10 minutes. So I won't let the heat go too high. So the yam is cooking. Okay. It's been cooking for a while now. So let's check if it's ready. Yeah, it's ready. I'll put the yam into this dish. You can see it's very, very soft. So make a nice pounded yam. Okay, there's my Masha. It's already plugged. I'm going to put it in my in and put the light on. Here we go. You see? Oh my goodness. It looks like Nigerian pounded yam. It reminds me of when I was growing up in Owo, in Ondo State. This is how our pounded yam looks like. So beautiful. Look at it. Just look at it. Let me add a bit of water to make it softer. There. Wow, just doing the finishing touches. I think it's perfect. No flour, no mixing, just yam. Today we'll be serving it with egusi and spinach. I'm going to dish out the pounded yam first so they can keep warm. Making for 4.